How to remove TikTok watermark in CAPCUT. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open TikTok application. Now from TikTok you can download any video in which you want to remove the TikTok watermark. I'll simply download any one of the video from my profile. Go to three dots at the bottom right corner and click on download. Once the video has been saved, go to CAPCUT, click on New Project and select the video. Now as you can see, there's no watermark in my TikTok video. It is because I've managed a setting which will help you to download TikTok videos without watermark. So to enable that setting, open TikTok app, go to your profile, click on the plus icon, and now whenever you're trying to post something, in the last editing page, go to more option and make sure the feature of save post with watermark is turned on. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.